Hi, I'm Maria with Marialidia's Bath Scents, and I'm here to show you a DIY disinfectant spray. So what you will need to get started is a plastic or glass spray bottle. You will need some Castile liquid soap, which I do sell on my site. The link will be below. Marialidia's Bath Scents liquid Castile soap. You will need a funnel to help pour the stuff in the bottle, some water, and alcohol. So since rubbing alcohol is hard to come by, there is a substitute. You could get vodka, but it needs to be 60% or higher to be effective. So you have to pay attention to the proof, because a lot of alcohol from the liquor store does not contain that much alcohol in it. So this Everclear 151 proof contains the 75.5%. So I recommend the 151 proof. The higher the proof, the higher the alcohol percentage. You will need, I said, 1.5 cups of water and an essential oil. I'm going to use tea tree. You could substitute it for an essential oil of your choosing. I will also shoot up an image of the list of ingredients and the directions as well for you guys to see what we're making today. So I'm going to get started. I have my spray bottle here. I'm just gonna put the funnel in. I have everything pre-measured out already. So I have the 1/2 cup of Everclear alcohol. Let me make sure not to spill anything. And then I have 1 tablespoon of the Castile liquid soap. Again, my link will be down in the comments if you want to purchase the one I have at my shop, Marialidia's Bath Scents. So I will add that 1 tablespoon that I had pre-measured in here. Then I will add my 1.5 cups of hot water. Okay, and my tea tree oil. So the 20 drops going in. Okay, and then after that, we have all the ingredients in. All you do is put the top back on your bottle and shake it up, and you are ready to spray your disinfectant cleaner. So if you are having a hard time finding it in the store due to COVID-19, you can make your own disinfectant cleaner at home. And if you're having trouble finding rubbing alcohol, you can get some vodka 151 proof from a liquor store as a substitute. The ingredients and the directions I will shoot up here again, and you can also see the blog name on that I got the recipe from. Hope you enjoyed this DIY disinfectant spray video.